Hello and welcome to the Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. My name is Sophie Summers, and in today's video we're going to recreate this very simple and easy to achieve a day look. It took me around about 20-25 minutes to do the whole look from start to finish. So if you'd like to see how it's all created, please join me after the break. Welcome back. To save a little bit of time, off camera I've already put on my facelift tapes in the relevant places, here and here. If you'd like to see a little bit more about that, and rolling back the years as I call it, the description is down below with the relevant link to the video. Now I've applied some MAC Prep and Prime to my face. It's a Lumina finish to key my foundation on, and the foundation I'm using for this particular look is from Leichner, and it's a part of their Camera Clear range, and it's called Blend of Rose. So I've set all that in, and to set it in place I've just sealed it with Kryolan translucent powder shade TL3. Again, all the descriptions are down below. Hopefully a few pictures have flown in as we've been speaking. So the first thing I want to do for this sort of everyday type of look is really blend in my existing sort of top areas of my eyebrows. And to use that, or to do that, I'm using a cream based eyeshadow, and its colour is Soft Ochre. Make sure I've got a decent finish on it. I've got a blending brush here, and before it all dries, because this does dry to a nice powdery finish, I really want to blend those edges in a little bit more. Particularly break down the outer edge. Okay, the second colour I want to use here is again from the Paint Pot collection, and it's called Constructivist. Move to a Kohl pencil, just a little bit of I'm going to use a Kryolan lipstick, shade LF425, and blend that all the way in. I'm going to use a little bit of what's left on the brush to define my cheeks a little bit more, because I want a creamy look rather than a very much a powdery look. So just going to create a few dots down here all the way along my cheekbone, and where our natural sort of laughter line is here, as you can see. I'm just taking it to there. I'll just repeat it on the other side. I'm going to blend these in. So 1, 2, 3. Add a little bit more, a few more dabs, just in the centre area here, both sides. Just a little bit more depth, slowly as we do it. Just going to add a little bit into my cleft area, my cheek, my chin, sorry. In a V sort of shape, push that to the V I've got there. I'm just going to punch that in a little bit as well. Skin just to make sure it's not all sticky or anything like that, which is not, which is good. It means it's all set. I don't have a problem. Now for a day look, I need to find a reasonable wig for it, because it's going to be quite windy out there normally when you pop out during the day, particularly here in Brighton. So bear with me a second. I'm just going to pop off the screen and see what I can find. Hang on. So I just popped on one of my favourite short wigs, which is always what I wear when I'm going out, because it's nothing worse than trying to combat wind here with hair floating all around your face. This is a style called Reese, and it's by Noriko, and it's in shade Irish Spice. Just to finish the look, I put on a little pair of dangly earrings, and voila, that is it, so to speak. So what I'd like to do now is to firstly thank you very much for watching. It's highly appreciated. If you have any comments on the look or anything else contained in this video, please feel free to drop the comments down below. I hope you like it. If you do, hit the thumbs up, that'll be greatly appreciated. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do consider doing so. So what it really remains is for me to say thank you very much for sticking with me to the very end. Have a great day, and hopefully see you all again very soon.